This is the hallway. These are the stairs. It's on the 5th floor. We're on the 1st floor. Let me show you the laundry. There's something. Mira, we would be right here. That would be us. That's 5B. We'd be the top right. We'd be that guy. See? Our mailbox. We would be 5B. Washburn. Barbino y Yaya. 5 Barbino. Oh, and then I have to show you the street. Look at the street. Look at the street. Look at this beautiful street. Look at this beautiful street. Yaya, look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful day. This is our street. This is our new street where we're going to live. Look at this. It looks like San Fran motherfucking Cisco. This is our building right there. That is our building. Doesn't it look beautiful? Ese cachetone de un edificio. Un cachetone de un edificio. See? Look at that one. Look at all these. It's a beautiful street, yeah. This is a very beautiful street. I have a very good energy about it. Look at the plant stuff here and the sidewalks. And it's on a hill and it's sunny. I think it's a good one.